Hi, my name is Charmaine Vega and I'm from Central California. And today what I want to discuss with you is riding the wave of pivot. Have you ever dealt with something and you were trying to figure out, what do I do? How am I going to do it? Because you have it all planned out and you can't quite figure out what do you need to do and how you're going to get it done. Well, right now you hear that word pivot all the time. And the reason you hear it is because that's what everybody's talking about, because we're in the middle of a pandemic where everybody's having to think about how are they going to change what it is that they need to do. I can give you an example of, I recently faced that. I got a call from a client and the client wanted a cake made. And I was like, okay, no problem, because I'm a chef, I'm a nutritionist, and I do all these things. And it's like, okay, no problem. I get all the ingredients out, I have them all laid out, and then I realized, uh-oh, I don't have any eggs. So I have to go to the store and get eggs because I can't make this without the eggs, because it's not one of those things that I can do and figure out another substitute for this particular client. I have to use eggs for this particular client. So I grab my keys, because again, remember, I have everything already laid out. It's ready. The butter is there. Everything is ready to go. And I'm trying to figure out, well, what do I do? How do I get this done? Can't do it without eggs. So grab my purse, get my shoes, change my clothes real quick because I have all my other stuff that I can't really wear in the street. You know, I'm like, oh, half dressed, half not dressed. So I grab everything, get in my car, back out of the driveway, go down the street, and it only is 5 minutes away. Understand, the store is only 5 minutes away. And I'm like, okay, it's not a problem. I can do this. It's only going to take me 5, maybe 10 minutes to do this. And as soon as I turn the corner, what do I see? I see those orange cones, of all things, orange cones, and a big old sign that says detour construction. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So at this point, where am I? I'm at the intersection, and at this intersection, I have a choice. I can sit at the intersection and wait. I can turn around and make a U-turn, go back home and say, sorry, but I couldn't get to the store because all around me is all nothing but construction. So no matter which store I want to go to, I have to take a detour, or I can go back home. If I take the detour, it's going to take me an additional 15 minutes one way before I even get to the store. So what do I decide to do? I say, you know what? I made a commitment. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the detour. I take the detour, taking me 15 minutes to get there, additional time in the store, because you know how it is. You go for one thing and then you see several other things in the store. So I came out with more than just eggs, okay? It was more than eggs that I'm coming out of the store with, a shopping cart. So instead of it being 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour later, now I'm on my way back home. So I get back home, I make the cake, my client is happy, and everybody is all satisfied. Now, the moral of the story is, what I did is I stuck to my commitment and I did what we call pivot. I pivoted to make sure that what I was doing was getting the job done, and I did what it took to get it done. And that's what comeback champions are all about. We all figure out what is it that we need to do to get the job done, and we do it. And that's what I did. I got it done. And that's what I want to let you know the Comeback Champion Summit is all about. It's all about champions, what we do, how we do it, and we're all experts. I'm an expert at what I do, and I want to share with you some more of my knowledge about what it is. And you're a comeback champion too, so I want to invite you to the Comeback Champion Summit, and it's no charge, no cost. You can come to it. However, in order for you to come to it, you now have to do what we call, you have to sign up, because seating is limited. So hurry up and sign up. And where do you do this? You go to comebackchampionsummit.com. Hurry up. We're looking forward to seeing you there. See you at the summit.